Alright, we're gonna have to motor through this one, so we're gonna dual break. Topps T206. It's a bit low class, a bit dirt, but let's see if we can get a box where everything's not off-centered. Everything's off-centered in this product. The guy at Topps was drunk when he was doing it. So I don't know what you get in it, but I'm sure you get a couple of somethings. I saw a few decent boxes. That's no idea. Classy. Alright, so we'll show you a couple of classy ones, but we'll just call out the hits. Alright, so what do we got? Guerrero, Blanks. Alright, the minis of Ryan Howard. You're a Ryan Howard fan, aren't you?
I am.
Alex Gordon.
I'll put my hits in.
I don't know what the gold means. Pujols. These cards are a bit crap.
When did I say I like this?
I don't know. You said you liked this one.
I didn't say. I think I said it looks similar to
Mini of Pavano. Danks, gold border, whatever that means. Jason Worth. Where's the fun cards?
I don't think there is any fun cards.
Oh man. Where's the Honus Wagner reprint?
Just leave these ones.
Oh, we got a redemption. It's an autographed card of Dustin Pedroia from Topps T206. Not for me, kids. CC Sabathia. Oh, what else we got? We got Soto and Benzabrist. How many packs is it? I don't know how many packs it is. 20 packs. Well, that shouldn't take too long. Any non-scrubs? Oh, what's that back?
No.
Yeah, put that up here. That's a special back, I think.
Beckham. Not the good Beckham.
Mickey Man, not the good Beckham. Mickey Mantle. The Mick. What's this? President Taft inaugurated historical event. Now that should be in Ginter. Ginter me this. Johan Santana. Do they have the rookie logo on these? I don't see any rookie logos. Maybe I'm not getting any. But the Gordon Beckham should definitely be a rookie, shouldn't it? I don't know. Who else we got? Adam Lind.
Queens Borough Bridge.
Yeah, well, the Gordon Beckham's not numbered on the back, so I think that means something. I think.
It's not numbered.
So I'm going to leave that there. And someone can yell at me and say, "Oh, you fucking don't know shit." What else we got? We've got Queensborough Bridge opens, linking Manhattan and Queens. Wow. Oh, beer break. Alright, I'm only breaking one more box today. Oh, phone call. Alright. You keep breaking. Hello? Yeah, mate.
Alrighty. No idea.
Yeah, it's ready to go.
Another one of these. Oh no, it's not.
It's got all the ink in it as well. That's right.
Jimenez. Bellino.
You're sitting there now, are you?
No, you're gone.
Alright, get out of the chair. That was work. Work paid for all this. By paying me. And then I paid. Morales. Scrub. We got to check. I think we have to check the backs to see if there's any special backs. I hate this kind of shit, man. I don't actually. I love it. I'm a big base fan. I've now bought, I think, 7 boxes of Ginter, and I'm hoping that I've got the full set. I still don't know if I've got the full set of it.
Has someone cracked the code?
Hey, has someone cracked the Ginter code? Get back to me, or I could just look on Google. Alright, what do we got here?
It's in this box or what?
I don't know. What does it say? You can get relics, original T206. I don't know if there's a... Oh, there's a rookie logo. They're in the top corner. He's a scrub. Hilton.
Giants.
Daniel Murphy. Kevin Euclid. Klaus Evan Longoria. You can see why this got... When this came out, it was like 80, 90 bucks, but it was only like 50 when I bought it. Otherwise, I wouldn't have bought it. Oh, hit! I'm going to make his watch till the end. Oh, looks like I got boobs. Don't stop doing your cardio, kids. If you're going to do weights, you've got to keep doing cardio.
Would you stop the job?
No, keep going. Carlos Ruiz, and we've got first subway car. Wow. Rusholz. He's an old player.
Can I get a hit?
No hits for you. And then we've got Colombia recognises Panama's independence. And we've got Justin Upton. Oh, we got a Piedmont back on that one. The brand of quality.
The Wright brothers.
Bobby Abreu. The Wright brothers. Fausto Carmona. Maybe you only get one hit per box.
That's $50, $80 you say when it came out.
When it came out, yeah, it was mixed reviews. Buster Posey, rookie. He's killed it this year. Killed it. And I've got his Letterman back there. Montero. We've got some scrubs. Scrub. Still a few packs left, man. You could get that hit. Are we going to be in the time frame here? We should be.
Hasn't been that long.
We've got Roy Billingsley with a Piedmont back.
Whatever that means.
Whatever that means. Connor Jackson. Gordon. Daniel McCutcheon. Why do I think he's a good player when he's just a scrub? Every time I get one of his cards, I feel like I've hit gold, but I haven't. That's the last one. Alright. Napoli.
Can I get Rooch
Josh
Bat Barrel?
Beckett. If you get Ruth Bat Barrel, I'll give you $10. Musial with a baseball caramels back.
Doesn't look like a hit.
Adam Wainwright.
One hit per box, are you serious?
That's not great, kids. Alright.
Ortiz.
Gallardo, Santana, Ryan Howard, Dempster, Hernandez, Crawford, Maglio, Ordonez, Mini of Pujols.
Pujols.
I thought I had a Pujols, kids. I thought I had something. But no, it's a Jeff Clement auto. Wow. Whatever the opposite of wow is, that's what I'm saying right now.
I thought you got Pujols.
Yeah, I thought I got Pujols as well, man.
Did you stop calling Pujols? Did you get flamed too much?
I didn't. It's Pujols. T206.